everyone, myself Harishri Dave and I am going to convey a small message on Biodiversity Day. The International Day for Biodiversity is annually observed on 22nd May. This day is celebrated to make people aware of the biodiversity. It includes all the living creatures in the world. Birds are everywhere. Greenery is everywhere. How happy on earth we are. Playful monkeys, giraffes with long necks, how majestic is everything. The Royal Bengal tiger residing happily in Sundarbans with water around himself. The sphere of time changes, scene changes. Suddenly, a poacher emerges from somewhere. He aimed the tiger and the bullet released out of the gun and killed the tiger. Very sad. The woodcutter started cutting the trees, and one by one all the trees got cut. There is not a single drop of water in the river. All the creatures are dying for oxygen and water. That man is disturbed. He can't earn because his source of earning is also destroyed. Soon he would also die of hunger. That girl hasn't drink a single drop of water since 2 days. She is so thirsty, but no water. All efforts in vain. Now how much she could try to bring back the diversity but can't do anything. She is helpless. We have to save our environment by preserving it. Remember, if once it is destroyed, we can't bring it back and we have to pay a lot for this. So friends, please preserve our biodiversity. Happy Biodiversity Day to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Mohanty from class 6th and today I am going to tell you some points about Biodiversity Day. So first of all, I would like to tell you Happy Biodiversity Day. And now, first of all, Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22nd May. Now, why do we celebrate Biodiversity Day? We celebrate Biodiversity Day to spread awareness and to increase understanding of biodiversity issue. This day is decided to celebrate the International Day for Biological Diversity annually. Now, what does biodiversity mean? The term biodiversity is derived from biological diversity, refers to the variety of life on earth at its levels from gens to ecosystems and can encompass the involuntary, ecological and cultural process at the sustained life. Now, I will show you some quotes on Biodiversity Day. First quote, biodiversity is most valuable but least appreciated resource. This quote is written by Edward O. Wilson. Second, biodiversity is the way, so don't let nature go astray. This is the second message and quote, and now I will show you the third message. We must convince and empower people to adopt the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity as their guide principle. Now I will show you some ways to preserve biodiversity. Support local farms regularly, buy from small local farmers and starts or market helps to keep rupees in the local economy and supports agriculture effort to conserve biodiversity. Second, save the bees. Third, plant local flowers, fruits and vegetables. Fourth, take shorter showers. 5, respect local habitats. Sixth, know the research.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Dave and I am going to recite a poem on biodiversity. Have you ever really looked at trees and seen their perfect beauty? If you have, you know that their protection is a stern and sacred duty. Protection of that spreading grandeur through many summers grown, safeguarding of those temples green where the song of. When next you see the wide flung branches of a graceful pine, think to yourself, a sacred service is part and parcel of mine. I resolve to protect all trees forever and guard their heavens and beauty. To save the forest of our land shall ever be my duty.